Hello everybody, welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Before you watch this video in patch or share because a very serious video and as a training video so say sojania or here also no utimi use at the bono a banner saying yeni him say COVID-19 and as a coronavirus no a idea we are seeing na edi nya nti aman panyin fo nyina wo we are seeing na ade emra agu akwam we na Ghana man panyin president Nana Akufo-Addo at the lockdown eba Ghana say yen nyina yen momodin na yen hyefi so uni bibia ya hyefi ne bo ho ba ne save you bi so alive because ukunya enya open wanya odebe ma wonam fofo ana say wono mben nti we know what mamofo agum say omommo Ghana fo ho ban se ne be ya say obi ko ba bi na say omohwe na say ba bi anipa na ekọ no eso eni mfaso a enka nipa no omonsan no na we no so no ayen se mebre nipa we say the military guys are not doing the right thing of we say nyo mu nyina so na yesa e be feel say say omokan boko because president akan boko and I went now chenchena we piaba obi timi ka se mani be hwe ade kra keke odu wani be hwe ade na one virus ni bi enya encounter now the coffee now the akosa omoso mo fie nti empenyimfo sit na fie na se won na fie dia ono de o protect the country no nti se oba abonte na se asotwe bi ono so afiu so de mawa ebebo no de bema we na oma video bi e cover viral military ni ama civilian ni bi your friend Adankoma so de na ohwe a wonye ni na o de belt ejinjam no di jinjam no na civilian ni no ejinensa blow pa na the bomb military ni no e ho na onwa so clock it to e na the edinachi yenhwe video no
Mami drop him ana drop him on WhatsApp. Hey. About to do. Nobody here. Mami drop him ana drop him on WhatsApp. Hey. About to do.
Na me bisa say enyoma we no is it right say as a country ye be yesa yentie instructions from above na yemfanya adwuma na mwa nyina mesrɛ so say so wo fie no o hand sanitizers ne o liquid soap ane o nose mask na also o de o mana ben o se na be ya we protect you Ghana here nyina. Thank you for watching Poleeno Multimedia. Me patch share video na obi for so anywhere. Thank you.